So guys, we're going to see one more resume game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 649 by the name of Dota2 CNET. Okay, so we are solving this question on the LeetCode Camp website. And by the way, there's a mid-open question which we are solving, and this question is based on some of the topics. In today's question, there are 3 topics are included by the name of string, greedy, and queue. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and in today's question, there are the 2 examples are included. So we will be understand both of the examples one by one, okay, means step by step. Then we'll be solve this question in the LeetCode Camp website, and we are solving this question in Python 3 by the way. So it is very exciting video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also for more amazing these type of tutorials. And tell me how is my new thumbnail is, because the previous thumbnail I have removed that thumbnail, so I have built a new thumbnail of a LeetCode Camp solving. So tell me how that thumbnail is. Okay, and now let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve today's question in Python 3 by the way, without wasting any time, without taking any long time. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video I am telling you about we are solving a question number 1642 by the name of Dota2 CNET. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question. So let's start to solve today's question. In the world of Dota 2, there are 2 parties, the Radiant and the Dire. The Dota 2 Senate consists of senators coming from 2 parties. Now, the Senate wants to decide on a change in the Dota 2 game. The voting for this change is round-based procedure. In each round, each senator can exercise one of the 2 rights. Ban one senator's right. A senator can make another senator lose all his rights in this and all the following rounds. There's a one ban senator's right. Number 2. Announce the victory. If the senator found the senators who still have rights to vote are all from the same party, he can announce the victory and decide on the change in the game. It given a string senate representing each senator's party belonging. The character R and T presents the Radiant party and the Dire party. Then, if there are n senators, the size of the given string will be n. Then, the route-based procedure starts from the first senator to the last senator. In the given order, this procedure will last until the end of voting. All the senators who have lost their rights will be skipped during the procedure. Suppose every senator is smart enough and will play the best strategy for its own party. It predicts which party will finally announce the victory and change the data to Dota 2 game. The outputs will be Radiant or Dire. Example 1. Here he created one senate string but in which he written down RD and the output I'm coming Radiant. Why? Because the first senator comes from Radiant and he can just ban the next senator right in round 1, and the second senator can't exercise any rights anymore since his right has been banned. And in round 2, the first senator can just announce the victory since he is the only guy in the Senate who can vote. Example 2. Senate, here given Senate string in which you written an RDD. The output is becoming Dire. Why? Because the first senator comes from Radiant and he can just ban the next senator's right in round 1, and the second senator can't exercise any rights anymore since his right has been banned, and the third senator comes from Dire and he can ban the first senator's right in round 1. And in round 2, the third senator can just announce the victory since he is the only guy in the Senate who can vote. And they are the sum of the constraints it has been also be given you. Okay. So let's try to solve this question in Python 3. So you can see the medium one question and 3 topics are included: string, greedy and queue. So let's start to write the code. So first of all, you only want to do it define from collections import tq. Class of a solution defined here. Def predict party victory. predict party victory. Okay, define self comma CNet str and then str enter. R equals to dq, d equals to dq, n equals to len. We found the length of our CNet. Okay, now when we do this all the things, so you only want to do it, we remove these scores. Okay, so now you only want to do define here for I in range and then define here n here in it. Define semicolon if CNet I equals to r dot append and then define here I, else d dot append means append me, we merge two things together, I, y, r and d. Perfect. Now when we do this all the thing, we define r underscore idx equals to r dot pop left, define d underscore idx equals to r dot pop left. Okay, now when we do this all the thing, you only want to do it, remove this, define here if statement r underscore idx d idx r dot append rdx plus n, else d append d underscore idx plus n. Perfect. Now enter return Rayyan if statement r else and then dir. So we have written about all the codes, and our last thing is to run this code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been giving me an error in this line, dix, in this line it is giving me an error. Okay, let's write here d now. Now let's see. So now it has been accepted. Okay, because by the mistake I write here r dot pop left. In the second one you define d dot pop left, and the first one you define r dot pop left. Okay, so here you see both cases are accepted. In the first case the expected output is radiant. My also output is becoming same. In the case to the expected output is dire, and my also output coming same. Last thing is submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat total 69.44% people. So let's post the solution in the LeetCode website and then post it. So here is it. In today's video we are solve question number 649 by the name of Dota2 CNet. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And this is a 301 question which we solved successfully, as means to the 300 question I solved very far. Okay, here you can see it. This 301 question which we have solved successfully. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So let's meet you in the next video, and next video amazing video like this. So now for today, but come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan. So please subscribe my channel, all the notification bell also, and see my all the videos which I have posted, okay, on my YouTube channel. You can see it. You can also be accessing my playlist of a LeetCode cam. Okay, so now anyways, let's meet you in the next video, and next video amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.